tichida kutendai mhuri yezimbabwe nekuda kwesapoti yamunotipa pano paSaint TV. Aiwa, basa tichienda mberi. Aiwa, takanga tiriko kuVictoria Falls uko kwatakazonowana mukana wekuita inonzi game drive yatakaita neve inonzi Kitapan tours and safaris. Aiwa, toda kuti mumboonawo zvimwe zvezvatakaona hatingazokuratidzei zvese ka. Aiwa, mufana kungozvionera mumboendawo muite shungu dzekuenda handiti ndichangokuradzai zvishoma zvezvataka experienza tiri mukati megame kuVictoria Falls. Aiwa, kana uri munyowani usati wasubscribe, turn on your notification bell so that every time we upload a video you'll be notified. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page pakanzi Saint TV. Aiwa, ngatimbonzwai tour guide.
They have predators besides the human beings. Elephants will, lions will attend to them.
Yeah. Really?
Yes.
Sure.
They'll go from the smallest to a certain size they can kill, but when it's this big, lions will not try.
Because they kill
way
themselves.
Too big, yes, and the skin is too thick, and this guy is way too strong. They can't, even if he doesn't do anything, they just can't bring him down. They can't suffocate him. He's got a very thick skin. You can't bite the trunk. And
He's coming up, please move.
oh, don't worry.
Let him come.
We are on this exit point.
No, we need to go. No.
Watch him take videos. If you are afraid, don't look at him.
At this time and point, everyone in the tour guide track was frightened because remember, this one is a real elephant. This one is a wild elephant. It's not a trained elephant. But thanks to our tour guide, who kept us calm even as the elephant was passing, it was even more safe than what we expected. We thought maybe the elephant was gonna walk and it was gonna destroy the track, but that didn't happen. Tichitenderera kudaro takabva taita dhuma nenyati idzo dzinozikanwa nechirungu kuti buffaloes dzinowanikwa zvakare dziri muboka reBig 5. Aiwa, Zimbabwe yakanaka hama dzangu. Tisingade kukanganwa kuti mhuka iyi ndio dzinonzi dzinouraya vanhu vakawanda kupfuura dzimwe mhuka dzose dzesango. Mhuka iyi inozikanwa nekuva nehasha dzakawandisa. Asi tinotenda Kitapan avo vakanga vainesu kutichengetedza kunge vari vanoti kutiratidza mhuka idzi dzose zviri safe. Ndoda kukuudzai kuno kuVictoria Falls kunonaka guys, kunonaka. And this one here is the mighty Zambezi river. Ndofunga munozwa kasonga kanoti dzinonwa muna Zambezi, dzinonwa muna Zambezi. Last time I was in Bechnav Bridge, and I think ndakakuudzai zveBechnav Bridge about Save. So there is here is Zambezi river. Ndo rwizi rwakakurisa munyika yedu, handiti of course zvizoteerawo ana Save. Ndo munonwa mondoro kana vachinzi mondoro midzimu yenyika handiti. So this is the mighty Zambezi. In the mighty Zambezi river, you see kuti you find crocodiles, you find hippopotamus, you find big fishes like all those big fishes, namiramba, mabreams, matemba as well. So guys, we have to love our country. We have to embrace what we have. We have to preserve what we have, and that is the natural resources. So here today we are here in game park, and it's a park called Victoria Falls. Someone will just say ndoda kungoenda ku Victoria Falls. Yeah, it's okay, it's fine, but also it's good to come and see the mighty Zambezi river. And another thing, kana wauya kunokuka umwe munhu anobva ati manje transport yekuenda mumagame yekuenda kunoona the mighty Zambezi river ndichaita sei? Zvinenge zvakuda kuti zvoni unge uri unodi unge uri unobata inonzi Kitapan, handiti, tours and safaris. Kitapan tours and safaris. This is the vehicle which we used, handiti, the vehicle which we used. As you can see, these vehicles are reliable, of Kitapan tours and safaris. Yes, so if you come here, you need some tour guide. Vanenge vane experience. So once you come and you get in touch with Kitapan, they will definitely guide you kupinda mu game parks. They'll guide you to come and see the mighty Zambezi, muchiona mhuka dzakasiyana siyana. So I encourage
Kwamuri kuHarare ikoko, be it Bulawayo, Harare, Masvingo, you name it. You are welcome to Victoria Falls. Everything is affordable here. You can talk to us. We are making it happen here. We run your game drives. We take you into Zambezi National Park, and you can have this kind of fun. So please, don't worry. You don't need a very big budget. Just a little budget will be enough. You come talk to us. We take you on a game drive, we take you on a boat cruise. A lot of things to do here. As you can see, we are on the Zambezi River here. We're having fun with the boys here. We have a whole lot of other people on a game drive with us. Guess what we saw this afternoon? We saw a lot of elephants, we saw buffalo, we saw giraffes, zebras, and we are expecting some lions. Somebody said there's some lions on the way. So we're expecting that. Yes. Wow, you are welcome. You're missing out.
Yeah, you are missing
this festival season is the time. Please come enjoy with us.
Yes. And you know, they will think that you cannot even walk out of the vehicle. Right now we're out of the vehicle. We're inside. Look at Kundai now. Kundai is
Beautiful,
just
isn't it?
playing. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yes, we don't just walk around everywhere in the national park. Yes, you can think of dangerous animals like I just mentioned, lions. We have places where we disembark the vehicles and have fun, like here on the river here. But places where there are no crocodiles, where you can even touch or wash minyama yese from the Zambezi River. Come to Victoria Falls,
especially
here
that one.
Yes,
Zimbabweans who gets up nyama, especially now that the year is coming to an end.
Yes,
you have to gather all the mnyama so that you can cross over to 2023 with good luck.
True that.
Yeah, so all you need to do is to get in touch with him on the number on the screen, so that when you are coming, it will be easy for you. You have a wonderful experience like what we are doing here. Actually, we are really enjoying the drive. You know, everything, even the nature itself. You know, the animals. It's more like the animals are trained, but actually they are not.
They're not.
They are used.
That elephant that walks by the side of the vehicle.
Yes.
You could actually pet it. You could almost pet it.
Yeah.
We get such experiences here.
Yeah. So guys, don't miss out. Don't miss out. So from Uncle Saint, Andrew Reggae, Polato.